Hello everyone, and I'm Joker. You probably know me for my Marvel logos that I made for custom competitions like Pesky's Marvel Championship, Marvel Invites, Quadrilla Marvel League, the Bonds Network, Toad Endurance, etc. And today I'm gonna show you how to do logos like this, honeycombs from Toad Endurance, in not hard software. I think everyone has used it once in their life, at least. It's PowerPoint. For the video, to follow it, you need a working license in Microsoft Office. You need a working screenshot and to Google some stuff later on. So let's get started. And so we create a new presentation. Delete these two fingers, they're not needed for us. Then we take a panel of shapes. We take round, and using shift we create this round shape as big as possible. Then we do gradient fill, solid line, and make it 15 points white. Next up, we Google a color scheme in the color you need. For this logo I will need a golden color scheme, so I googled gradient gold color scheme. I fill it in the software, it's quite easy. You match the colors with the flag and do the outline brown so it makes contrast with the base. Next up, I'm doing this donut shape. It's useful for those second outlines in your base. I'm making it white because white is widespread in all logos. Next up, I'm going to a noun project site where I can browse icons, SVGs, PNGs, etc. I recommend downloading SVGs because they're editable in PowerPoint, so I found two suitable icons for the honeycombs. This one, currently edited, is for the background. You need to crop it so no transparent edges are left. Next up, you upscale it and go to the graphics format and select crop by shape. Choose the round shape. Next, downscale it a bit and send it backwards against that white line. Next, I'm making it a bit brighter so it makes little contrast with our base. Yeah, looks good now. Next up, let's take a look into this main object. Hexagons. Pretty much matches the honeycombs. I also crop it, make it bigger, and use the same color as our outline by using an eyedropper tool. Next up, I'm a bit changing this white donut shape and creating the yellow second one inside the white, but later I will change it, so keep no attention to this. Next up, we place a text box and write the name initial, it's H in our case. Next, I browsed a good font suitable for the honeycombs, it's aloe vera. I can link it in the description if you need. And then I'm gonna make it the same color as the base and make it centered upon the hexagon in the very middle. Next, I'm doing the comp initials, it's Toad Endurance. I sort of wanted to place it in the hexagon, but later I changed my mind and placed it on the top of them. And remember, the only rule in logo making is for everything to be centered. It's a golden rule, so try to follow it every time. Next up, we see this bee icon. I found it before the logo making, and I will place a bee in every hexagon that is not filled with anything. I'm making it appropriate color and appropriate size, and centering it upon the hexagon as well. And after that, I'm just going to copy using a control, rotate and flip the icon. I will speed this up because it's all quite the same. You just need patience and accurate centering. Next moment I realized that this yellow outline is not looking really good, so I'm making it smaller and changing the color into this brownish. And I thought, wow, I can send it below the TDE and make it yellow, so it's about to look better. I do exactly this, recolor it toward the endurance initials and center upon this outline brown. Yeah, now I change the white outline so we can see the hexagons in the background a little, and after that the logo is done. Next up, I'm creating another slide with Ctrl M and print screening the logo. I'm copying it to the second slide, making it quite big, not as much as in the first picture, but still quite a big one. Next, I'm copying the H letter to keep the font and write the full name of the team below. And it's gonna be a logo with naming like you have used to. Next, I'm coloring into brown, but usually honey is not brown. Yeah, it's golden, so I'm recoloring honey into golden, and here we go, the logo is done. So with that, our today's tutorial is over. I hope it helps you in the future to start logo making or to improve your skills. Thank you all for watching, give the video a thumbs up, leave your feedback in the comment section, and goodbye.